Hey everyone, Abdulatif is here. Today we're diving into the world of software engineering. Now, whether you're a beginner to figure out what software engineers actually do, or you're someone looking to level up your career, this video is for you. We're going to cover the core concepts, key practices, and career tips that every software engineer should know. So, let's get straight into it. First, let's answer the question, what is software engineering? At its core, it's the application of engineering principles to software development. And here's the thing, it's not just writing code. It's planning, designing, testing, and maintaining software that's scalable, reliable, and efficient. Think of it like building a skyscraper. You don't just throw bricks together. You have blueprints, a foundation, and a maintenance plan. Software engineering is basically the same but with code. It's planning, designing, testing, and maintaining software that's scalable, reliable, and efficient. Think of it like building a skyscraper. Some key pillars include requirements analysis, understanding exactly what your software needs to do. Design architecture, deciding how your system will work and how components interact. Implementation, writing the actual code. Testing and QA, making sure everything works as expected. Maintenance, fixing bugs and improving the system over time. Now, let's talk about the core practices that separate good software engineers from great ones. Version control, 7 use Git or other version control systems. Branching strategies, pull requests, and commit hygiene ensure smooth collaboration and safe deployment. Agile and iterative development. Fear adopt Scrum or Kanban methodologies. Work in short sprints, gather feedback early, and continuously improve your product. Code reviews and pair programming. Peer reviews improve code quality, enforce standards, and help engineers learn new techniques. Automated testing and CI/CD for automate tests, and integrate with continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines. This ensures your code is reliable and reduces manual effort, documentation, and maintainable code derived. Code that is readable and self-explanatory. Use meaningful variable names, proper comments, and architecture diagrams where necessary. A rule of thumb, code for the next developer who will maintain it. And to grow in your software engineering career, consider these strategies. Build projects. Start small, then scale up. Real-world projects are the fastest way to learn and showcase your skills. Optimistic in open source. Contribute to open source. Collaborating on open source projects gives you exposure to real-world coding practices, team workflows, and version control. Continuous learning. Technology evolves rapidly. Explore new frameworks, programming languages, and system design patterns. Stay curious. Hopeful and mentorship. Connect with other engineers through communities, forums, or meetups. Mentorship can accelerate your growth and open opportunities that you won't find on job boards. That wraps up our deep dive into software engineering. If you're starting out, focus on building projects, learning continuously, and collaborating with others. If you are already in the field, adopt these practices to scale systems efficiently, improve code quality, and advance your career. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment on the topics you'd like me to cover next. I'm Abdelatif, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep coding, keep building, and keep leveling up your skills.